So we lifted anchor around 7 o'clock this morning. It's 9 o'clock now. We are en route from Sandy Point in southern Abacos to the Berry Islands. Christy's in cruise mode with her cruise clothes on. We're also hoping to maybe catch up with Adrenaline, Billy and Sierra, in the Berry Islands. We're not sure if they will be there or not, but we'll see. So we're crossing from the Little Bahama Bank to the Great Bahama Bank. The water here in the New Providence Channel is over 6,000 feet deep. It's about 9:30 in the morning. We have about I'd say 12 knots of wind from 90 degrees. We're flying just the spinnaker. We're doing about 6 knots average. We should be in the Berry Islands by 2 or 3 o'clock.
To the Berry Islands.
Just sighted land in the Berry Islands.
I expected like just vacant islands, but there's smoke, there's big steel things, some sort of red structure. I guess, actually, because I just chopped them into chunks. And we have roasted potatoes with onions and salad and a homemade dressing. I always make my own dressing. Look, it's Jetty!
Hey, you guys!
Look, it's Billy!
Welcome.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos.